What is Agile CSA? Shout out, David.
Yeah, Sharon, you can take this one.
Sure. So as we spoke about Agile and then CSA, so we are trying to find a synergy between these two. So we have an Agile framework, and then we have our CSA or the CSX. So how do we blend in both is the solution or the answer, which is nothing but the Agile CSA, where we also look at to integrate the flexibility, the speed, agility, and take in all the key points of an Agile and apply the critical thinking that is required for a computer software assurance, and make sure that we are meeting the patient safety, product quality, data integrity across pharma, medtech, or biotech that we are trying to develop the application for, and have a synergized approach between these two, where we can do an iterative approach for the design, build, test, including validation throughout the life cycle of the system, and make sure that it is fit for our intended use. So that is the approach that we have used for multiple customers, and with this, it helps us to have more flexibility in terms of grooming our requirements, come back and also include any scope creeps that we see as and when we prolong with the software development, and also helps us in prioritizing all of the items that we need to do as part of any risk-based assessment, which is part of the CSA. So the Agile CSA fits more as a suitable offering in terms of coordinating or bringing the Agile values together along with the computer software assurance with critical thinking, which will help our software development lifecycle move much smoother. So that is the way that we have interpreted so far, Khalid.
Yeah, and just one footnote to add to that, right? It's Agile CSA isn't a checkbox like, hey, we did this, this is the process. It's more of a value, right? It's a path. It's a path that you're on. You're going towards these types of activities within your SDLC and CSV program, right? You're being able to facilitate kind of the combination of those two items there.